Okay, here's one that was not even on my list. I had not come across it. And I believe it is from last year, so I'm surprised that I hadn't seen it. But it was sent to me via the email link that I have in the description on there. And it is Placido Domingo, with his basically talking about his introduction to Dimash. And so I thought it would be an interesting one to take a look at tonight.
Yeah. You know, my my grandson discovered you.
Really?
My grandson is a musician. He really with all with his career now he starts to he's now only 18 years old. Wow. But he's working already because he's a fantastic what do you call it?
Drummer.
Drummer, yeah.
Drummer, yeah.
Drummer. And he
We saw you on YouTube or somewhere. I don't know.
how is it possible this discipline? You have 6 octaves. But I think so we will do the percussion.
Oh, yes, just let me say something personal. Meeting with you is really huge honor. When I was 5 years old, I had PhD with your concert. So I come to music because of you.
Oh.
So we'll do the duet because it's only since I sit down the baritone, I can sing in my voice. Now I don't have the tessiture for tenor, you know. But we sing it and we'll be fine.
I don't believe you. I don't believe you. You can do everything. You know.
Okay.
I'll sing with my old voice.
I will try my best.
Wow.
So we see you tomorrow. We have a little bit of rehearsal.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you, guys. So we will see you. Sorry to break.
Short, but I liked it. I like the starting comment. My grandson discovered you. His 8-year-old grandson discovering Dimash on YouTube and showing him to his grandfather. And Dimash commenting how when he was 5 years old, he discovered Placido Domingo. So it's interesting that the young people, we don't give them as much credit probably as they deserve. Well, it is way, way past my bedtime, but going through my emails, I came across this one and thought I was going to take a look at it. And as I'm going to look at it, I might as well do a little recording on it. If anybody has any more information or has a longer cut on this one, I would appreciate it. Again, the contact information is in the description if you want to send me something regarding Dimash, or as I've said before, I'm interested in learning about popular artists from other countries. I've got somebody sent me the one young gentleman from Russia that I am looking into, and I believe in my emails I've got one from Brazil and one from France that I haven't looked at yet, but they are on my agenda to take a look at. And with that, I am going to close it out. Have a good one. Peace, everybody.